You think your partner is your best friend on defense, but it turns out it's the dummy. The dummy knows all. The dummy has all the secrets to taking maximum tricks on defense. All right, so let's say that you're in a suit contract and you're thinking about all of our checklists for defense, right? In a no trump contract as well. But most of our hands today are going to focus in the suit contract. And so we review the auction, right? Just going through the defender's checklist, we review the auction and we do our number rule. We're not changing any of that. We interpret partner's opening lead. And then we ask ourselves, what kind of defense do we want? And the dummy is going to help us answer that. Good news is there's only 3 types of dummies. Okay, 3 types. You made it in. 3 types of dummies. There's L type, we call the long suit dummy. The S type, we call the short suit dummy. And then the dead dummy, where it's worth nothing except it's just balanced. It's generally balanced. It just has no source of tricks, as we'll see a long suit dummy has. It's not good for trumping, which is what a short suit dummy does. Everyday dummies are going to be the dead dummies. And we're going to look at strategy versus those as well.